How to change password on Discord. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Discord. For that, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, open any browser of your device and at the search bar type discord.com. Once you have entered discord.com, now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, make sure you are logged in to your account. After logging into your Discord account, at the left bottom, you will find the gear icon. Click on this gear icon, which says User Settings, and you will be taken to this page. Here, make sure you have selected My Account option from User Settings. Now scroll down until you find the option Change Password under Password and Authentication section. Click on this Change Password button and you will be prompted to enter your current password and then your new password twice to confirm. In the first box, enter your current password and in the second and third box, enter your new password. Make sure you enter the same password in both these boxes. Once you have entered your new password and confirmed it, click on this Done button to finalize the change. Once you do so, your password will be successfully changed. Make sure to remember your new password or store it securely. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your Discord password easily and securely. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.